Student, this is Vasu Amit Banchur, your computer teacher. Welcome to online classes session 2020-21. So students, today we will learn about how to insert image. That if you are designing a web page and if you want to insert some image in your web page, so with the help of this img tag, you will able to insert image in your web page. And here anywhere you have to insert the your image, or some alignments are also there. So with the help of alignment you can insert anywhere in your web page. So you have seen the web pages with a lot of pictures. You can also add pictures in a web page. To insert a picture in a web page, type the tag img tag with the attribute src as img src equal to in bracket image file with complete path. It means that img tag is used to insert an image in your web page. With img tag, you have to write attribute src. Src means the location of your image. So after writing src is the attribute of img tag. So src equal to value, and the value is the place where you have to give the location of your image, which is stored in your computer. So see the example. For example, imgsrc equal to d:/wallpapers slash flower.jpg double quote close and angular bracket close. Like this you have to write the full path of your image. Then see the output. See the output, my words, it is written there, and then after that one image is displayed here. So like this your image will be displayed in your browser. So what is the code? img src equal to, img src means location of your image, equal to, and after equal to, in the place of value you have to give the whole path of your image where the image is saved in your computer. Like this you have to write the image insertion code. Now come to creating list. Creating list means, suppose you are writing some points. Suppose you are writing some points in browser. You want to display some points in your web page. So here some are marking as some are marking as dot sign or some sign, or some as marking as 1 2 3 4, like this list some are marking. So here two types of lists are there. One is order list and second one is unordered list. Order list means sequentially you are marking there, means 1 2 3 4 a b c d, like this. And unordered list means you are inserting means you are inserting image or one little small image, and see small image one by one you are printing there, means one displaying there. So list make your web page more readable and attractive. The most common HTML lists are order list and unordered list. So come to the order list. Order list is a number list. It starts with the oval tag. Each list item starts with li tag. So order list. How to write the order list? Oval. In angular bracket, under the angular bracket, you have to write oval and every list item. So how many lists you are giving? 4 or 5 lists or 6, any numbered list you are giving, that list start with li tag. Li full form is list item. So now see how to add the number list in your web page. First you have to type oval in under inside the angular bracket. Oval you have to write. Then after that type the tag li. After li you give the list, how many lists you want to display in the browser. Then again after completing writing the list, you have to close the oval tag. So here oval is a container tag. Container tag means that tag is having open tag and close tag. So like this you have to write the code. After body tag you have to write like this here, oval, li burger, li pizza, li dosa. It is written here. So at the last oval is close. Then see here how the output displayed here. It is list is number list 1 burger, 2 pizza, 3 dosa, 4 pasta. Like this the list will display. Why 1, 2, 3, 4 is displaying here? Because we had chosen the OL tag, order list tag. Now come to the unordered list. An unordered list is a bulleted list. It starts with UL tag. Each list item starts with LI tag, same as order list. Here UL tag is used in unordered list. So how to write? Same that you had written at writing as OL tag. Same you have to write here UL. After UL, give the list series, and then at the last close the UL like this. See here, UL open, then LI is written here according to the list, and then UL closed. And see here how the bulleted list is printed. See here, that sign, dot sign is there. That sign is known as DISC sign, DISC. DISC sign, by default DISC sign is printed in order list. See the another list, dot DISC sign, burger, DISC and pizza. Like this the output will display in another list. So students, understand order list and unordered list. Then next class we'll learn about creating tables. Yes, thank you.